Car number 1, 1978 MGB, $3,800. Location, Evansville, Indiana. This 1978 MGB is a fun project for classic car enthusiasts. With a recent top, new alternator, turn signal switch, and drive shaft, it runs well and fast. The main restoration need? It requires a clutch throwout bearing, but the seller is including a complete new clutch kit. Ready to take on a sporty restoration project? This MGB might be the one for you. Car number 2, 1950 Chevrolet Styleline Fastback, $3,500. Location, Belleville, New Jersey. Here's an old-school rat rod waiting for some TLC. With a 1961 six-cylinder engine and dual carburetors, this Chevy Styleline runs and drives well, yet is heavily affected by rust and in need of a full restoration. Its unique vintage look makes it a perfect candidate for a custom project. Car number 3, 1974 Chevrolet Chevy Van G10, $3,500. Location, Meriden, Connecticut. This 1974 Chevy Van G10 is a blank canvas for a complete restoration. The motor runs and it comes with a title, but it needs work to bring it back to life. With classic van style, this G10 could become a head-turning vintage van project with the right touch. Car number 4, 1978 Buick Electra 225, $3,500. Location, Saginaw, Michigan. This one-owner Buick Electra 225 has all the original hubcaps, but it needs new brakes and a bumper repair, along with fixing a passenger window. A classic sedan with great potential, it offers a fantastic base for a restorer willing to return it to its former glory. Car number 5, 1979 Chevrolet 1500 regular cab, $3,500, Illinois. This rugged 4x4 Chevy 1500 is another project with serious potential. While it runs and drives, it's being offered as a trade for an Enduro, so it's clear the seller wants it in the hands of someone looking for a solid project truck. Car number 6, 1978 Chevrolet Van G20, $3,200. Location, Ellijay, Georgia. Originally a church van, this G20 is a well-preserved project van with an unusually clean body. With recent updates like a new battery, fan, and radiator, it runs well, but could still use some restoration to fully bring out its charm. For anyone into vintage vans, this is a solid foundation. Car number 7, 1978 Oldsmobile Cutlass, $3,500. Location, Boaz, Kentucky. Stored under a roof for years, this solid Oldsmobile Cutlass is looking for a new owner. There's no title, but it's in surprisingly good shape, making it a potential gem for restoration. This Cutlass could become a classic cruiser with the right dedication. Each of these classic cars offers a unique project for enthusiasts looking to take on a restoration challenge. Whether it's for nostalgia, customization, or simply the thrill of the build, these vehicles hold plenty of potential for anyone up to the task.